Hello class 10th. In previous video we studied about the endocrine system, hormonal control, nervous control and endocrine system and difference between endocrine system and exocrine system. Now today start with the endocrine gland. First gland, that is endocrine gland, that is adrenal gland. Renal means kidney, means attach to the kidney. This one is kidney, this bean shaped structure. This is kidney, this one is kidney, and this triangle shaped structure, this one on the top of the kidney, this is adrenal gland. See the structure, the outer one, two parts is divided into the two parts. Outer one is called cortex and inner one is medulla. Cortex secrete cortisone hormone and medulla secretes adrenaline hormone. Adrenal gland are like cup, caps above the kidney. Where it is located? It is located like a cap above the kidney. Location like a cap, above caps above the kidneys. Above the kidneys. Where it is located? It located like cap above the kidney. Each adrenal gland consists of two parts. A central medulla part, this one, a central medulla part, and peripheral, this one, this peripheral part is cortex. Adrenal medulla, this central part. It secretes adrenaline hormone, also called epinephrine or noradrenaline. It is called epinephrine or noradrenaline. Adrenaline is a hormone which prepares the body to meet any emergency situation or fight. That is to face danger or flight, to run away from it. Extra energy and strength is provided to the body in that situation. Extra hormone is released into the blood at the time of emotional stress, when excited or angry. Our adrenals produce a lot of adrenaline. The gland itself is stimulated by the nerve ending of the autonomic nervous system. It is also called as fight or flight hormone, because it is also called the emergency hormone, because it secretes at the time of when we face danger or to run away from it. So it is also called emergency hormone, adrenaline. Function of this adrenaline, it increases heartbeat accompanied by an increase in blood pressure, increases blood supply to the muscles to provide while decreasing it to skin and visceral organ. More glucose is released. Why more glucose released into the blood? By the liver, like putting more fuel into the engine. Now adrenal cortex, this one, this peripheral region is called adrenal cortex, secretes many hormone, but the best known hormone is cortisone. Best known hormone is cortisone, which suppress inflammation. What is the function of this cortisone? It suppress inflammation. Cortisone's hormone again categorized as mineralocorticoid and glucocorticoid. Mineralocorticoid regulates mineral metabolism, especially sodium and potassium ions. Glucocorticoid regulates carbohydrate, protein and fat metabolism. It regulates carbohydrate, protein and fat metabolism Now, in general, the cortisone hormone, what is the main function of this cortisone hormone? Increases blood glucose concentration, influence fat and protein metabolism, regulates salt and water balance in the body also. It regulates salt and water balance in the body. Adapt the body to stresses such as extreme heat or cold, burn, infection. Certain cortical hormones behave like a sex hormone. They are both males as well as female hormone in both sexes. here one word is one thing is written, one term is written here, that is adrenal virilism. What is virilism? Virilism means maleness. In Latin, virilism means virilism. This virilism means maleness. Maleness in Latin. Virilism means maleness. What is adrenal virilism? It is of 1 mark question in the board examination. If there is an overgrowth of adrenal cortex in a mature woman, if adrenal cortex overgrowth of in a mature woman, she develops certain male character. She develops certain male characteristics such as a beard, mustache, and deep male voice. The condition is known as adrenal virilism in the case of females. When it occurs, when adrenal cortex overgrowth occur in the body of the mature woman. If the overgrowth occurs in mature men, they may develop some feminine characters such as enlargement of breast. If it is occur in males, so develops female character, and when it occur in females, it develops male character, like a male voice, deep male voice, and a beard, mustache, and such conditions. This is called adrenal virilism when it occurs due to the overgrowth of adrenal cortex in mature woman or in male. If it is occur in woman, it characterized by the male character, and if occur in the male, it characterized by the female character. Now, hyposecretion. Hypo means under or less secretion of adrenal cortex, means cortisone hormone. From adrenal cortex causes the addiction disease. Symptoms are loss of energy, skin pigmentation, loss of weight, nausea, feeling to vomit. Hypoglycemia means low blood sugar, sensitivity to cold and pain, increased susceptibility to infection, etc. Hypersecretion, oversecretion. Oversecretion of adrenal cortex causes Cushing syndrome. Hyperglycemia means high blood sugar. Osteoporosis. Osteoporosis means weak bones or pores occur inside the bone. Weakness and salt and water retention in the body.